Hey everybody, just want to touch base, see how you all are. It is a glorious, and I mean glorious day here. It is like 80 some degrees. It's like a heat wave after all that snow, so feels so good. I may not be wearing the right outfit. I'm wearing long sleeves, a little warm, and some corduroy pants, but I'm so glad to be out, and I'm walking through this parking lot to get to the trailhead. So I just wanted to say that sometimes we need to go through a season of, I'm going to say, angst or circumstances, difficulties, so that we can, barrel through, that we can learn the lessons and we can pick ourselves back up and keep going. And, one of the sayings that I like to keep as part as like my inspiration is no matter what. And sometimes it's hard to practice no matter what when things around you just seem kind of doom and gloom. And I think that's where, we really need to call upon that inner part of ourselves that no matter what, that even though the circumstances are challenging, not just within my life, but within, pretty much everybody's life right now, like there are some weird things on the horizon. There are histories that are coming up that are pretty vile and disgusting and show the bad side, the I'm just gonna say the wickedness of people that have lost their way. And when we think about, who do we want to show up as? Sometimes when we see the evil, the darkness, the shadow side of other people, it makes us take a deeper look into ourselves, and it makes us beg the question, do I want to be like that? Do I show up like that? Where is it in my life that I have these evil thoughts or evil ways that I kind of slip into? And sometimes when we see an extreme of somebody on the really side of the wicked scale, it helps us to see our sin and see our wickedness, and helps us maybe to recommit. Who do we want people to see us as? Like, what is our real behavior in private, and what is our real behavior in public? So I'm going to stop there and let you ponder that question. Is my private life private? Is my public and private life the same? And is that something that I would want people to know? And the goal is that your public and private life can be seamless, meaning that you are a person of integrity, that you have authenticity, that you are who you say you are, and that your face that you show to the world, that you show to your family, is the same face that you would show compassion and love and support to another person. And yet, when we see what's going on in our world with all the wickedness, the shadow side, the vileness, sometimes those things make us question, is it worth it to wake up in the morning? Is it, is this the kind of world we want to be living in? And then maybe it tugs at your heart. Maybe it makes you think about, what did God put you on this planet to do? Like, what is your contribution? What is your purpose? How can you bring joy and light to the world in a state of darkness? How can you help people to overcome these terrible, wicked things that we're witnessing, and yet how can you bring love and joy to people to find the good? So I leave you with that question to ponder. Is your private life private? Is your public life public? Do they both have separate parts? Are you embarrassed about something in your private that you don't want to be made public? Can you come to peace with that? Do you need support in that way, whether it's therapy or coaching or something, a book, something to help you get unstuck in your thinking? Just ponder those things. So I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye, everybody.